Oh shit, I saw.
On this other side.
Oh, 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 oh.
Feel this right here. Up there. Okay, that's it. Good. I'm gonna bring this back. Okay. Let's bring this knees next. Scapular dyskinesis, right? So let's double check. Let's check the spine area. Aside from the musculature, which already has been moved, I'll go through a bit. Okay, let's recheck. Right here. Very long. Okay? Then you breathe in. Then breathe out. Good. Another time, breathe in. Then breathe out. Okay, one more, huh?
Alright.
Okay, breathe in. Then breathe out. Okay. Now let's okay. See. Alright. My pressure points is on the ball. Heel, left side. Negative. With an external rotation here, right? And ID band. We already tested that a while ago, so we know that. Now let's just rest here and double check that. Which temporarily fixes itself, so we know we're going to go to the other side. Okay. Let's lie. Lock. Good. Great.
Oh,
Okay. Check. Good. Mata, go a bit higher. Alright. And go here. Keep it lang po.
okay.
Good. Harder po. Okay, good. Now breathe in for me. And breathe out. Okay, good. Now let's face the other way po. Back. Pull you forward like this. More important side. Okay, release first going and check. Okay, great. Last one po.
Oh shit.
Good. Pull and check. Okay. I think we should get there. Okay. Now I'll get your help. Is it okay if you slide? Okay. Yep. ID band. Oh. No. No. So it's only the left side that we're worrying with. Okay. It says in between release LP. Okay. Okay. Right go after. The last one. Last one. Let's go. Good. 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 Swing this up. Great. Good. Now I'll get your help. Let's move forward. Just rock it and let's rock it back. Just to see if there's anything that gets pulled open the ball. There's nothing. Okay? Good. Now, sir, is it okay if you look to the left for me?
Sir, turn your head to the left side.
Turn.
Yung head up.
No. Reach it. Or reset this again. Okay. Look to the left ball for me. Okay, good. Then to the right. Good. Good.